Hi, this is Dale Stringer with First Medicare Advisors. In this video, we're going to be discussing when to enroll in your Medicare Part D drug plan. The Part D prescription drug plans are offered by private insurance companies, not the federal government. In fact, most of the plans are marketed as direct to the consumer. Like Part B, think doctor, Part D, think of it as your drug plan, has a penalty. And here's the kicker. The penalty will never go away. You will have the penalty if you don't sign up for Part D when you're eligible. In general, you must sign up for the prescription drug plan at age 65 when you sign up for Part B to avoid these penalties. Now, if you're still employed after the age of 65 and have coverage through your employer, or you have a prescription drug coverage through a comparable health plan or the VA, then your coverage should be creditable. Now, what does creditable mean? Creditable simply means that your drug plan is equal to or better than the Medicare Part D standard plan. If Medicare determines your coverage to be creditable, you can evade the penalty. Well, how do you prove your creditable coverage? The way that you can prove that you have creditable coverage is that each year your company, whatever plan or whomever, will send you a letter saying that your coverage is creditable. Now keep these letters and put them somewhere where they're safe, where you can find them. You will need them in the future. Now if you have a question or want more details about Medicare Part D, feel free to contact us. Now I know you're concerned about getting a sales pitch. Don't. We hate them as much as you do. Now there's 3 ways to contact us. Number 1, you can send them an anonymous email if you want to at info@firstmedicareadvisors.com and ask your question. You can also call us on our 24-hour recorded hotline at 1-800-958-8171. There, just tell us your first name and then record your question. Finally, for a quicker response, for a free unbiased answer, or to start the enrollment process, you can call our office directly at 1-800-825-2919. Now, if you don't have any prescription drug coverage, or if it isn't creditable, consider going ahead and enrolling in Part D anyway, for 2 reasons. Number 1, it might help you pay for your prescription drugs. Secondly, you might be able to sidestep the penalty. Now, here's a phase that you need to remember. It's called Annual Enrollment Period, or AEP. The Annual Enrollment Period, or AEP, for Part D runs from October 15th through December 7th. You can't miss it because of the hours of television advertising begins in earnest. You know, the AARP, United Healthcare, Humana, Blue Cross and Blue Shield, and a tons of other companies. However, when you're new to Medicare, you don't care because the whole process begins when you first enroll. You can enroll in Part D when you become age 65, or if you're over age 65, if you lose or quit your job or you lose your health coverage, you can enroll during a special enrollment period. Now, you do the Part D annual enrollment period every year after your initial enrollment. Why do you want to do that? Because you need to review your Part D plans annually, because the formularies and the penalties will change very often on you. You want to do this every year because you want to make sure that you're paying the lowest dollar for the best plan that you can get. Then whatever changes you make to your Part D plan becomes effective January 1st of the next year. Is it complex? Yes, a little. But the penalties for late or incorrect sign-ups can add up to a lifetime of monthly penalties on your Medicare Part D premiums. Medicare mistakes can cost you hundreds, if not thousands of dollars each and every year. What's next? Well, get back in touch with me so that we can go over all the options that are available in your particular area. Why? Because they're different in every zip code in America. I will shop all the plans for you in an independent way, so that we're simply not recommending any just one particular company. We're showing you the whole list of different companies that are available. Now you'll understand the differences between the different plans and how Medicare actually works. Now, if you want more details or just have a question about Medicare, feel free to contact us. Now, I know you're concerned about getting a sales pitch. Don't. We hate them as much as you do. Now, there's 3 ways to contact us. First of all, you can send them an anonymous email if you want at info@firstmedicareadvisors.com and ask your question. Secondly, you can call our 24-hour recorded hotline at 1-800-958-8171. Just tell us your first name and then record your question. Finally, for a quicker response, for a free unbiased answer, or to start the enrollment process, you can simply call our office direct at 1-800-825-2919. And yes, we do answer our phones. Thank you so much for watching our video. It's greatly appreciated. Again, if you have questions, please feel free to give us a call. You'll not regret it. Thank you very much.